Hey everyone, Yunfei here. Want to sound super cool when you speak Chinese? Today, we're learning 10 Chinese slang words that'll make you sound like a native speaker. Get ready to impress your friends. Let's go. First up, we've got tǎng píng. It literally means lie flat, like when you're chilling in bed, scrolling through memes. But it means something totally different in slang. Think of it like quiet quitting. No more working too hard, just relaxing vibes. Imagine your friend is stressed about work and saying, I can't even deal with this anymore. You can totally say, just tǎng píng, man. They'll totally get it. Boom. Next is juǎn. Imagine everyone's competing like crazy, working super hard, but not really getting anywhere. That's juǎn in a nutshell. It's like everyone's stuck in this cycle of pushing themselves to the limit. For example, let's say everyone at school is staying up late studying for a test that won't even affect their grades that much. You could be like, dude, this juǎn is too much. I need a break. Now, let's talk about qīguā. It literally means eating melon, but you don't need to be eating a watermelon to use this slang. It means being a spectator, like watching drama unfold. You know that friend who always knows all the gossip? They're a professional qīguā master. Imagine a big celebrity scandal happens, your friend tells you all about it, and you're like, whoa, I'm just here to qīguā. Alright, time to chill with fo he shi. It literally means Buddha-like. But you don't need to start meditating. It's all about being super chill and going with the flow. You know those people who are never stressed? They're like, whatever happens, happens. Those are your fo shi peeps. For example, you're planning a trip and your friends are freaking out about the hotel. You, being the chill fo shi friend, can say, dude, relax, any hotel is fine. Let's just go with the flow. Now let's talk about dǎ. No, it's not about work, even though it literally means punching the card. This slang is all about checking in at cool, trendy places. Think of it like a digital badge of honor. Found a cool new cafe, dǎ. Took a picture at a famous landmark, dǎ. So you're at that super cool cafe, sipping your matcha latte. You gotta take a pic and tell everyone, dǎ, this amazing cafe, the vibes are perfect. Let's be real, life isn't always about big, amazing moments. Sometimes it's the little things that make us happy. And that's where xiǎo comes in. It means small but certain happiness. Think of it like finding money in your pocket or finishing that show you've been watching. Small wins, big happiness. Let's say you're having a bad day, and then you find a vendor selling your favorite snack. That, my friend, is a major xiǎo moment. Enjoy it. Okay, let's be honest, we've all done this one. Shuǎi literally means throwing the pot, but it really means blaming someone else. You know, when you mess up and instead of admitting it, you're like, oh, it wasn't me, it was the, and then blame someone else? Yeah, that's shuǎi in action. Imagine you accidentally spill your bubble tea on your friend. You could apologize. Or you could shuǎi and be like, dude, it was the sidewalk. It totally tripped me up. Let's talk about being broke. And no, I don't mean forgetting your wallet broke. I'm talking about can't even afford ramen broke. That's where qī comes in. It literally means eating dirt, which doesn't sound too good, but it perfectly describes that feeling of being super broke. So let's say your friend asks you to go to a fancy dinner, but you're broke. You can tell them, sorry man, I'm qī this week. How about instant ramen at my place? This one's for all you troublemakers. Pai literally means skin, but we're not talking about skin here. This slang is all about being mischievous and playful. You know that friend who's always pulling pranks? They've got that PI energy. Let's say your friend hides your phone and pretends they don't know where it is. You could be like, dude, you're so pai. Just make sure they give your phone back. Let's be real, we all know a gàng jīng. This slang is all about those people who just love to argue and be right, even when they're wrong. They're like the kings and queens of online debates, always ready to pick a fight. They love to bring others down with their arguments. Imagine you're having a normal conversation. Someone jumps in with a random contradictory comment. Yep, you've met a gàng jīng. Best thing to do, don't engage. Seriously, save your energy. And there you have it. 10 must-know Chinese slang words to make you sound super cool. Now you can impress your friends and maybe even win over that special someone with your awesome Chinese skills. Which slang word is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you next time. Zaijian.